coming to footprints, no detail. Take the no detail book. The other book is over now for the term one. Now we are with footprints without feet. New lesson. The no detail. Footprints without feet. And if anybody has any technical problem or any kind of unavoidable problems in writing during the time of exam, you have to inform me prior. You have to inform me, because when I ask them, somebody is missing. So should I know? Then only I will be able to contact you. Okay. So sometimes you may think that I will not be able to write the exam. So I can give you another option what to do. Clear? This is the reason. If you tell me, sir, this and the reason. Yesterday one child called me, sir, we are in the hospital. My mother is in the hospital. We all are in the hospital. How can I? I gave an option how to write it. So in this, that is why, when you call me, if there is an unavoidable situation, if you call me, I can give you an option to you. I can tell you what to do. Okay, so inform me. Okay. Now, footprints without feet. That means a spirit is moving. Spirits. What is a spirit? An existence without physical body. In Malayalam, you say soul, Atma, isn't it? Soul. It has no physical body. There is one magician, I think, Professor Mudugadu, isn't it? Something, some magician is there, famous magician. Professor Mudugadu, am I right? Have you not heard about it? A famous Malayalam magician?
Yes, sir.
Mudugadu, am I right? Is he Mudugadu? Yes, Professor? Professor Mudugadu. If Professor Mudugadu comes here, sometimes he may create you. Your head is somewhere and your body is this side. And he may show that now he is in the classroom, next time he is in Tokyo Olympics. So, in this way here, footprints, we can show the footprints on the ground, but you cannot see the man. Footprints are moving. Marks of the feet are moving. But you cannot see the man. That is the story of this lesson, and it is to just read and understand it, because it is your own story. You learn this kind of stories very well. Single reading, recipe, single reading, you get the idea. There are some people, they are interested in horror series, horror. They catch the idea very fast. If I read horror, I have to read again and again. What is this? What is this? In this way, there are people who can understand this kind of stories very fast, better than me. So, we will have a careful, cautious reading. So, you will be able to understand the meaning. Footprints without feet. Another heading you can give, an invisible man. Clear now? An invisible man. A man is not visible. We cannot see the man. So, invisible man. The two boys started in surprise at the fresh, muddy footprints of a pair of bare feet. Suppose if it is in front of your house, what will happen? Everything will happen to all on a sudden, and you will be fallen down, isn't it? Suppose if it is in your bedroom at night, Savio, it is in your bedroom, muddy footprints of the feet, one after another towards the door. We can hear a great call for Mama from Savio's bedroom. You see, two boys in surprise at the fresh, muddy imprints of a pair of footprints. What was a barefooted man doing on the steps of a house in the middle of London City? London City is a busy city. In the middle of the city, on a staircase, what the invisible man can do. And where is the man? Where is the man? Footprints are there, but man is not seen. As they gazed, as they looked, as they noticed, a remarkable sight met their eyes, meaning to their wonder, they saw something. A horror film is there in the movie, and you have gone for the horror film. The screen opened with a great horror sound. A black car came fast and made a sudden stop. Suddenly, a door of the car was opened. You can see on the screen only the door, not the car. The door is opened. One black shoes and a pant and black pants and black overcoat, and on the left hand there is a revolver came out of the car. One leg, only one leg, one shoes, one revolver, one hand, black coat. There was a great horror music, and your mind will become very, very attentive. Who is this? Mohanlal, Suresh Gopi, Prithviraj? Then some are there. Who are they? I don't know. I know only old people. Then the leg turns 60-degree left side. Next leg is coming out. And the two legs are walking. You can see only the boots. Tuck, 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 tuck. Isn't it? Within seconds, you hear the sound of shots. And the car moves. Clear now? In this way, then you will be watching. Who is that? Prajot, who is that? Let us go to Ganga and we shall see. Isn't it? Who is that? Yes, in this way, in the midst of busy London city, on a staircase, barefoot, footprints are moving from one step to other. Man is not there. Tim, 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 tim. You see? How can it be? Further footprints followed, one after another, descending the steps and progressing down the street. The footprints are coming from first floor to ground floor, From there, footprints are moving towards the street, but man is not there. The boys followed, fascinated, attracted, until the muddy impressions, muddy markings, muddy footprints, all these are here. Muddy impressions became fainter and fainter. When it goes, the marks became fainter and at last disappeared altogether. Then there was no imprints. So this was happened in London in a busy street in the daytime. And 2 children followed it. Among these 2 children, one you are. One you are. Let us go. One myself. One myself and one you. Let us go together. Follow the footprints. Let us see. So, yes. Correct. So, the explanation of the mystery was really simple enough. Explanation is very simple. The bewildered boys, the wondered boys, or the wondering boys, the astonished boys, had been following a scientist who had just discovered how to make a human body transparent. A scientist was trying to make the body invisible. That is why I told you, invisible man of H.G. Wells. So, a scientist was trying to make his body invisible. Following the scientists who had just discovered how to make the human body transparent. Transparent means like glass, you know, so it will not be seen. Suppose a scientist who was trying to make the body invisible, he will have that curiosity to show to others, isn't it? Suppose, Adidev, Achan brought a motorcycle. Which motorcycle you like? Nork. T-Nork. What Nork? Which Nork? T-Nork. Or some Nork is there? TVS Nork. One Nork. And it is just like motorcycle, but it is a scooter. And Achan told Adidev Shankar, don't go far and wide, but you can make small trips of 1 kilometer to the shop and all these things. It was an unexpected gift to Adidev. He never expected. And for the few days, he will have the curiosity to show the Nork to others, isn't it? So for uses and for necessities and other functions, he will take Nork and he will go to the, Mummy, I will come for 2 minutes. He will make a ride. Am I right? Because of the curiosity of the new one. We will try to show, even you or myself will have the tendency to bring into notice. In this way, oh my dear friends, black holes, please open. Somewhat light you give. Open the torch, light the torch in your room. Light the torch. Hainsey, Hadidi, open the torch. If the battery is not there, purchase 2 batteries and place battery cell into the torch. Be with battery. Emergency lamp should have. Switch on the video. Okay. You see, so this scientist was trying to make the human body transparent. And in that experiment, he succeeded. So he has a curiosity to walk in the street, making his body transparent. Clear now? That is why he is there. Griffin, the scientist. The name of the scientist is Griffin. Griffin, the scientist, had carried out experiment after experiment to prove that the human body could become invisible. So, scientist Griffin conducted a number of experiments to make his body invisible, transparent. Finally, he swallowed certain rare drugs. Don't go for these kind of experiments. He swallowed certain medicine, drugs, and his body became as transparent as sheet of glass. Luckily or unluckily, knowingly or unknowingly, he took a tablet and it made him transparent. Don't try with this at home. And taking a tablet and making my body transparent. Today in English exam is there, so I want to make my body transparent. Only pen I will see. Moving, the pen is moving. Pencil is making round and round and round. Pramod, Badra, pencil is making round and round and round. Hand is not there. And Joseph is saying, open the video. Switch on the video. I can't see you. Sir, I have taken a tablet. My body became transparent, sir. Don't go for the experiments. Don't go for the experiments. So, swallowed certain drugs and his body became as transparent as sheet of glass, though it also remained as solid as glass. Body became solid, but it was transparent like glass. Underline. Finally, he swallowed certain drugs. Underline that sentence. And underline Griffin, the scientist. Brilliant scientist, although scientist was so brilliant, very able. Griffin was rather a lawless person. A lawless person. He has no good background. What is his lawlessness? Underline lawless person. Technique, you see, with his science, he is using a technique negatively. His landlord disliked him and tried to send him out of the house, eject him. So he was living in a rented house. What is his lawlessness? He won't pay the rent. He won't pay the rent. When the landlord comes for rent, he becomes invisible. Griffin sir? Griffin sir is not there in the room. Room is opened. Landlord comes inside the room. He searches. Griffin sir is not there. So you see, he was a lawless person. Landlord didn't like him. So the landlord wanted to send him from the rented house. In revenge, in avenge, in vengeance. 3 words I told you. In revenge. Same meaning in avenge. Same meaning in revenge. Griffin set fire to the house. At that time there was corona. Shops were closed. They could not open the shop. So landlord was coming and asking, rent. He told, I don't have money. I will give you when corona gets over. So landlord said, when shall the corona gets over? I want the rent now itself. So he told, tomorrow I will give you. And today night he burned the house. This is his lawlessness, Griffin. In revenge, Griffin set fire to the house to get away without being seen. You see, underline, to get away without being seen. He had to remove his clothes. He became naked. He became naked to save himself. Thus, it was that he became a lawless wanderer. So no house, no dress. He is unseen. He is invisible. He is transparent. He is like a glass. He cannot go and ask somebody a house. He has no house. He becomes a wanderer. He becomes a vagabond. vagabond. He becomes a vagabond. He was roaming, wandering here and there. A homeless wanderer, without clothes, without money, quite invisible. These are the qualities of his biodata. Griffin, the scientist, biodata. That is biodata. Details about life, Savio. Details about life. That is called biodata. Data about his life. No clothes, naked. Number one. Very good, isn't it? Ashika, very good. Biodata. Dr. Griffin, scientist, born in 1947, August 15th, Freedom Day, isn't it? Then qualifications. No dress, naked. Number one, without clothes. Number two, a wanderer, no house, roaming here and there. A beggar, like a beggar, wanderer. Then no money, corona, no money, without money. And quite invisible. You cannot see me. These are the qualifications of, or adjectives of, qualities of Griffin the scientist. So this, it was that he became a homeless wanderer, without clothes, without money, and quite invisible, until he happened to step in some mud and left footprints as he walked. So while he was walking, he walked over a muddy land, and there was mud. Then he came to the staircase. So the mud was under his feet. Footprints were there. So to such a man, what happens, that we will see tomorrow. Okay. The rest we will see tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.